Okay, many of you today asked me if I would go through the solar system Tynker activity, and so I'm going to do that today. Even if I make mistakes, you're going to get to see it all. So I'm going to click on the lesson. And we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'm using my daughter's account. Okay, so in this lesson you will learn about the different planets in the solar system. Then you will create your own interactive project that demonstrates your knowledge of the planets in the solar system. First, check out a completed project to review the different planets and their orbits. Click on each planet to see its name and click the red stop button when you are done. Okay, so we have, it's kind of hard to click on that one. So one of the things I'm noticing about this activity is that these faster spinning planets, it's really hard to click on that. So you might want to think about that when you're creating your own project. How fast you want these orbiting so that the user can actually do something with it. I personally think that this Mercury is way too fast. I can't seem to get it. Okay. So just to review, you have a tutorial on the left, and just so you know, you can toggle between the blocks and then the books appear. That's to get you your tutorial back. So blocks, tutorial. Here in the middle is your workspace, and you'll see at the top which part of the program you're working on, whether it's the stage, or down here you can see all the other actors. Now, working through the tutorial, if you need to put blocks on one of these actors, it typically will just change it for you. But just make sure you're always looking at the right place up here to make sure you have the right actor or the stage up. And in here, this is your preview. So you can watch and see if it's working. You can make that full screen, and then you can bring it back. So I think we've already seen this, but I'm going to click play anyway because I just want to make sure I don't miss anything. And this is the sample project. And once again, it is the same one that we've already seen, so I can go ahead and close that. So I am going to read everything because I don't know if it's important unless I read it. To make your own solar system model, you're going to change the background, add background music and sound effects, program all the planets to orbit, make the planets draw as they orbit, and add descriptions for the planets. Change the background. So I'm going to select the stage, which I'm already here, and click on the gear icon. Click the Add Background button. Select a background from the media library. Then drag out this block and attach it to On Start. Click on the white area of the Switch to Background block to choose one of the backgrounds you just added. You can also click on Add Background to add a background. Click the text area and select Add a Background. Okay, so I want to come over here, looks like, and click on this, and I see Add Background. And I think I want to look, let's see what I don't think the green earth. Let me just take a quick look. No. Let's see what else we have. Space. And I don't know why some of those aren't loading. Some of these are pretty cool, actually. I'm going to go with this one for now. And then I guess I'll X out. Now it says to drag out, and I can actually drag it from right here, and click on the white area, choose one of the backgrounds you just added. I guess I want this one. Let's see. That looks like it. Move on to next. Add background music. Make the stage, and I see that I'm still on the stage, continuously play background music as the program starts using these blocks. I'm going to drag out an on start, a forever, and it looks like a play sound. Click on the white area of the play sound until done block to add a sound to play. Let's see, find some space music. There we go. I'm just going to shrink this down a little bit so I can see my blocks. There we go. Try your code. Okay. Cool. The only thing is I don't hear any music. Not sure why. Double check my audio should have music, so I don't know why there's not music. Have to troubleshoot that. On start, forever, play space music. Space music should be playing. Okay, so I'm going to hold off on trying to troubleshoot this music situation, but I'm going to go ahead and click next. Okay. Notice how I'm on the Earth now, and it did change it to the Earth for me. It only takes 5 blocks to make Earth orbit the Sun. Here they are. And this arrow means I need to drag them out. So I got the on start, the forever loop, move 10 pixels, turn 15 degrees, and wait 1 second. Okay, but I'm reading that the values that I need are different than what's defaulted. So, can I move that down? There we go. So I need only 9 pixels. I need only 5 degrees. And I need to wait 0.8 of a second. Okay. Your code should look like this. And it does. Perfect. Each planet has a different orbit path and speed based on the numbers in the move, turn, and wait blocks. Here are the numbers for each planet. Try your code once you finish this step. So I guess what I need to do is make the other planets orbit. So I'm going to scroll down here. I wonder if I can change it from up here. Nope. Okay, so from down here, I've got the Sun, Mercury. Let's see if Mercury's, I think, oops. Mercury looks like it already has those all that stuff done already. Right here. So I'm going to skip Mercury. Check out Venus. Venus looks like it already has it. Let me just double check here. Yep, so Mercury and Venus. I believe we just did Earth. I like to double check, and there it is. Okay, so now I'm going to come to Mars, and Mars doesn't have it, and it starts right here. So I'm going to drag out these blocks, the 5 blocks, and attach them. Got that one already. And now I need to change the data. So Mars is 11 pixels, and it is 4 degrees. And I can actually type that in. And Get rid of that. And it's 1.1 second. So 0.1 second. All right. So that is Mars. So let's go to Jupiter. I'm going to drag out these blocks again. And look at the data. Oh, where did that go? Where did that go? I guess I got to drag that last one out again. The weight block. Get there. There we go. So Jupiter looks like it's 10 pixels, which is good, and it's 2.4 degrees. And it is 0.2 seconds. Now I'm going to go down to Saturn. And it's a little tedious, but I got to drag out the blocks again. I got our on start, forever, move, turn, and wait. It doesn't want to stick for some reason. Get in there. I think I have to move the screen a little bit. Let's try it now. There we go. And let's see. Saturn is move 12.5 pixels, turn 2.1 degrees, and wait 0.3 seconds. And then we have Uranus. Drag out the blocks. Who knew programming could be so much work? Sometimes it is. And I know now I probably should move my screen up so that the weight will click in nice and easy. There we go. Okay, so Uranus is 16 pixels, 2 degrees, 2 degrees, and 0.4 seconds. And looks like 2 more. Neptune. Drag out the blocks. Come on. On start. Forever. Move. Turn. And wait. Scroll down. We have Neptune at 19 pixels. Also 2 degrees. And 0.5 seconds. Okay, last one, Pluto, which really is not even considered a planet anymore. Well, it's considered a dwarf planet, but it is included in the solar system. So we will work with it. And drag out these last 2 blocks. And let's get the data for Pluto. So 21 pixels, 2 degrees, and 0.5 seconds. And let's try it out. Let's see what our hard work looks like. Okay, so we have orbiting planets. One of the things, though, we noticed is, well, I noticed, is that the inner planets are still moving pretty quick. I think I'm going to slow them down just a little bit. So, I want to go back up here to Mercury. And Mercury is going